Hello, in this video I'm gonna explain why your laptop isn't charging. There are different possibilities your laptop may be not charging, and I'm gonna explain all of these or most of these so you can find out why. You can see that I already have a charger plugged in, so I'm gonna unplug it, show you that. Different laptops have different chargers. This is a circular shape. It's really short and really thin. Some are thicker, longer, some are rectangular, looks somewhat like a USB port. Some of them use a USB-C. And some laptops also have way different ports, like the MacBook charger. So it really just depends. And I'm gonna plug it in. And some laptops have lights that indicate if the battery is charging. So on this laptop, it's on the right side. It's an Acer Aspire 3, and the light is on the right side here. You can see that the battery is charging because of this light. If this light isn't on the right side, it may be on the left side, or on the top chassis, or on the front, somewhere here. So you should find the light. Some laptops also don't have the light, so you should be able to find out if your laptop is charging in the system. So I'm gonna show you that later on, but now let's resolve some issues with charging. First of all, make sure that your charger is plugged into the correct port. You may want to charge your laptop with a USB-C, but not all laptops, even if they have USB-C port, not all of them support USB-C power input, and some of them require a charger. It's usually included in the box. If it's not, then you should search for it on the internet for your laptop model. The model can be usually found at the back of your laptop. And now let's move on to the next part. Some chargers look like this, so they come with two parts. This is the adapter, and this is the cable that you plug in for AC power. So it has to be plugged in all the way in order to supply the power. Make sure that your charger is genuine, because some cheap chargers may easily break or even not work to begin with. So make sure that. Also, your charger may just be faulty, may have just been turned down over years, and maybe you need to buy a new one. Also, make sure that your power socket works. So try plugging in something else to that socket, to see if it works. Also, try plugging in your charger to a different socket to see maybe it works there. If your laptop is charging with a USB-C, then also you need to make sure that it's plugged into a brick that supports enough power. So here you can see I have a brick that is 65 watts. So this laptop requires 45 watts at least. So this brick would be correct if it had a USB-C port. But if I had a 15-watt brick, then it would not supply enough power to charge the laptops. Laptops require much more power than phones, so a standard small phone charger may not be enough. And if your laptop is still not charging, then you may need to service it. Maybe it had some liquidation, maybe something is broken inside, something got unsoldered. There are many different possibilities. But now Let's move on to the last part, which is on how to find out if your laptop is charging within the system if you don't have a light that indicates it. So I'm gonna power on my laptop. It's powering on right now. Now I'm gonna unlock it. And I'm gonna flip the screen like that so you can see it well. And on different versions of Windows, on different operating systems, it will look also different. But usually you can find it on the taskbar, the battery. You can see it has a bolt next to it, so it is charging. Also, when you hover over the battery icon, it shows you the battery status. In my case, it's fully charged 100%. I can also click on that and I can see the battery here. It's fully charged 100% and it is charging because of the bolt icon. And that's how you find out if your battery is charging. And this is all about charging your battery. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.